Opo.
Yung CIDG, sinagot ho ba kayo?
Opo, ang sabi po nila nasa CIDG, sa Soko na raw po yung baril.
Yung SOCO, sinagot ho ba kayo?
Hindi po naman nasagot ng maayos yung Soko.
What do you mean by hindi nasagot ng maayos? Paano nila sinagot yung First, ano po yung tanong nyo at ano yung sagot ng SOCO?
Well, ang sabi ko po doon sa Soko nung una, asan yung baril? Hindi po nila ako sinasagot, nangungulit ako hanggang sa sinabihan po nila ako na wala pa, hintay lang. Yun lang po ang sabi sa akin nung taga-Soko.
Wala pa. Saan kaya manggagaling yung...
Hindi ko po alam kung anong ibig niya sabihin doon sa statement na yun.
So on your part, you saw no gun.
Yes, ma'am.
And you did not know about the gun because no one was answering you about the gun. Ganun
Well,
ba?
yun ang ina-expect ko po, may barrel, pero I didn't saw any gun. So, kaya nga po yung Soko kinukulit ko. And sabi nga po sa akin ng
Pero
CIDG.
evasive. Evasive.
Yes. Opo.
Okay. Tama po ba yung napabalita na di umano after the first hearing nung committee and before today ay meron daw mga umaali-aligid sa iyo? And that's why you're supposed to need protection before you came to these proceedings?
Well, yan po ang sabi sa akin. Kaya nga po, kailangan ko raw ng pulisya security at that time. Well, with the help of the regional office, they provided me police security from my
Why did
police
you ask
station.
for police security? Did you notice or did you sense something?
I was being advised na ganun raw po yung na delikado raw po ako. Yan
Pero
po
meron
yung
na
sabi
ba
niya sa
kayong
akin.
naobserbahan?
Hindi po naman, medyo hindi naman siguro ganun kaano yung mga asa si IDG. Makakilala ko po sila.
Okay, so wala kayong personal na naobserbahan.
Opo.
You were just advised
Opo.
to seek for protection.
Opo.
Warden Bardillon, sabi po sa affidavit nyo nung nangyari, and I think you confirmed that during the first hearing, na nung nangyari yung operations, wala kayo doon sa jail mismo kasi nasa bahay kayo.
Yes,
Correct?
Your Honor.
At anong oras nga po kayo dumating sa jail noong November 5?
Mga past 8 a.m., Your Honor.
Past 8. And at that time, tapos na yung operations.
Actually, Your Honor, yung Soko, ongoing pa sila.
Yung processing of
Yung
SOCO.
processing,
But the actual entry and the actual search and the actual incident of shooting and killing, the two, Mayor tsaka si Yap, wala po kayo doon.
Wala po, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, nabanggit niyo rin po sa affidavit niyo na pinakita sa inyo at pinareceive sa inyo yung search warrant or search warrants bandang alas 11 na.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, tapos na lahat yon. Even the processing by the SOCO
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, they were already about to
to leave.
leave the
So that's the
premises.
only time that the CIDG served on your person the search warrants.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alam niyo po, that is something that is questionable because ang alam ko po, ang isang prison facility like yung inyong sub-provincial jail, pag-aari po yan ng gobyerno, hindi ho yan pag-aari ng mga inmates. So technically, assuming dapat kumuha pa ng search warrant to search a detention or jail facility, although of course we do not, we take the position na hindi na talaga kailangan dapat ng search warrant. But assuming talaga kailangan ng search warrant at meron ng search warrants dito, yung search warrants technically and legally dapat sinerve doon sa inyo as the warden of that facility, as the representative of government because it is owned by the provincial government. Pero dito ho, ang search warrant were addressed to the inmates. Mali na kaagad yon. Kasi hindi naman ang mga inmates ang may-ari ng kanilang mga cells. Ang may-ari ng detention facility ay yung gobyerno represented by the jail warden. So dapat, bago po ginawa bago po in-implement yung search warrants, sa inyo na muna sinerve. But you're telling us, sinerve sa inyo yung search warrants, tapos na lahat. Paalis na sila.
Yes, Your
That
Honor.
is correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Laraga, totoo ho ba na during the operations, during the implementation of the search warrants, naka-civilian po kayo?
Hindi
That's
po,
according to some witnesses based on their affidavits.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi totoo? Several po ang mga
Pag,
nagsabi, police. Are you sure? You're under oath. I mean, you're still under the same oath that you took during the last hearing. One example, there's a joint affidavit from SPO1 Manson Pasadas and PO2 Leopoldo Capila Jr., paragraph 5. We notice the presence of Police Superintendent Matira Police and Police Chief Inspector Leo Diao Laraga, who was wearing civilian attire. Isa lang po yun. Meron pang mga, I think, 2 or 3 more affidavits. Also, of PO3 Adonis Albarico, paragraph 4, that upon our arrival at latest sub-provincial jail located at Barangay Pusngo, Baybay City, noticed the presence of Police Superintendent Santi Noel Matira, who was wearing, what is GOA? GOA, Type C uniform, and PCI Leo Laraga, clad in
Excuse me,
civilian
Senator De Lima.
attire.
Let me just acknowledge the presence of the Senate President, Pimentel. Please proceed.
Civilian attire or not?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, during that time, during the actual implementation, I was wearing a patrol shirt, blue, and then I have a bullet vest. But thereafter, nung dumating na po yung SOCO, I already changed to civilian attire. That's what happened po.
Why do you have to change to a civilian attire?
Because,
You're still there in the area of operations.
papawis na rin po kasi, Your Honor, and nagbaon po kami ng civilian at saka
Anong oras
it
nga-
was rain,
anong oras nga
rain
nagsimula?
showering din po.
Anong oras nga nagsimula yung processing ng SOCO?
That was around 5:58 in the morning, Your Honor.
Yung processing ng SOCO?
If I was not mistaken.
So anong oras kayo nag-change into civilian clothes? Assuming that is correct that you were initially not in civilian clothes.
I cannot exactly tell the time, Your Honor, but I'm sure after the operation, after it was implemented, Your Honor,
I'm sorry.
or the execution. I mean, the execution.
And then, by the way, did you surrender your clothes to SOCO? Yun,
Pardon me,
yun
Your
bang
Honor.
dahilan kung bakit nagpalit kayo ng damit, nagsuot na kayo ng civilian? Dahil kailangan mong i-turn over yung suot mo sa SOCO? Also for possible examination, even if you survived the shooting, because that's your story. Nag-shoot out kayo with Mayor.
With due respect, Your Honor, I did not turn over anything from the SOCO. I did not.
You did not surrender anything to SOCO.
Nothing, Your Honor. You can ask the SOCO if I surrendered anything from them.
Did you surrender anything to
None.
any investigator or to any examiner?
None, Your Honor.
Mga
None.
residue?
None, Your Honor.
None. For PC Superintendent Lara, about the clothing of Mayor Espinosa, it was submitted to the crime lab, correct?
Your Honor, I collected the upper garment of Mayor Espinosa prior to the conduct of autopsy, Your Honor. And after the autopsy, I submitted the same upper garment to our Ormoc City Crime Laboratory Office for examination, ma'am.
And it was positive for gunpowder residue?
If I may, Your Honor, the chemist of the Ormoc City Crime Laboratory Office is here, and she was the one who conducted the examination.
Yes. Was it positive for gunpowder residue?
Yes, Your Honor, it was positive.
Were you under oath or did you take your oath already?
Yes, last time, Your Honor. Yes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
So it was positive.
Yes, Your Honor.
So does that mean that the gunshot was close range? Yes, please.
I will answer that, Your Honor. Considering that the upper garment was positive for gunpowder residue, it could mean that the tip of the barrel of the gun was at a distance of around of a maximum of 7 inches away from the
Just
point of
7.
entry on the body of the victim, Your Honor.
Just 7 inches. So that's rather close range. For a layman, that would be close
Excuse me,
range.
Senator De Lima. How would you classify it? Is it contact fire or close contact fire?
It's intermediate range gunshot,
Intermediate
Your Honor.
range
If it's
gun.
positive, as because I also learned the result now.
PCI Laraga. Hindi ba
Your
sabi
Honor.
mo, hindi ba sabi mo last time that nung binaril mo si Mayor Espinosa, you were at the door, and that is about what? How many feet away from Mayor
If-
Espinosa?
From the door, Your Honor, of the cell to wall, around 1 meter or 1
So
and a
anong
half.
distance mo nung binaril mo si Mayor Espinosa?
I'm not quite exact of the distance, but yung entrance po, from the entrance and then the left side, nandun siya sa left side.
I suppose
That was the
that's
position
more than
after.
1 foot. It's more than 1 foot.
Maybe, Your Honor, because at that time it was dark, Your Honor. I cannot exactly tell.
You're a police officer. You would know measurements.
Yes, after that,
You were
Your
the
Honor.
one who,
After,
who did the shooting. You were there. You know the exact location of the mayor. So you can tell us kung gaano talaga kalayo si mayor, whether it's 1 foot, more than 1 foot.
during the shootout po, Your Honor, I cannot tell that. Actually, it was very dark. Siguro,
And then
How can I
sabi nga ni PC Police Chief Superintendent Lara that kind of based on the gunpowder residue, that's about just 7 inches. So that's less than 1 foot. And I don't think, Ms. PCI Laraga, you were less than 1 foot from the mayor, correct?
Yeah, Your Honor, if I
Kasi kung less than 1 foot ka from the mayor, kitang-kita mo na siya. Hindi yung sinasabi mo na madilim.
Your Honor, are you referring to what I've said that I'm 1 foot and
At the time that you shot the mayor,
1 foot lang po ako doon sa may gate po ng cell. Ang sinasabi ko po, Your Honor, hindi po 1 foot away from the mayor po.
my question was, how far were you?
I can no longer...
At the very time that you shot him.
Your Honor, nung nakita ko na yung katawan niya sa floor nung meron ng may araw na. Siguro I can say malapit talaga kami sa isa't isa nung nagkaroon ng shootout. But during the actual, hindi ko po masasabi yun.
Bakit hindi mo masasabi? During the actual. Why would it be so difficult for you?
Your
You
Honor,
were there.
madilim
You were the
po
one
yun. Tsaka kung sana nandun po kayo at tsaka
But you will agree with me na kung 7 inches away lang siya, kitang-kita mo yun. We will not talk
10
anymore.
seconds, Senator
About-
De Lima.
hindi ko po siya nakita, Your Honor.
Your Honor, just like to make a point of clarification, when I refer to the distances, we are referring to actually the tip of the barrel of the gun
Yes.
from the point of entry on the body of